kasih Bu. Thank you. Okay, we're here at Warung Makan Dek Ani, which is a very kind of khas special warung kangarasem that is signature to the Blayag, which actually is not a dish in itself. It's actually a very well-known lontong, but it's made with a leaf called janu, which is like a palm leaf, and that is wrapped around and then steamed. And then here you have your basigan up cooked with coconut and chicken in there, and then you have your typical nasi campur, which is ayam betutu, and then you've got your sambal goreng tempeh. Okay, so let's give it a taste. Let's taste the soup. That is so good. I'm gonna put it on my lap here, and these leaves are the special way that they have it, so they do a little bit of a staple here. So we make this in the restaurant actually, and then you unwrap this leaf like this. Here you go. And then you can do a little bit of dipping, as we say in Indonesia, cocok. You dip that in there. And that's beautiful, soft, and nice. So pop that here. You got a bit of spice to it. And then we've also got here some tempeh goreng here, tempeh manis. So good. So this warung is really well known for its Blayag and also its nasi campur. What I love about all warungs is that they always start from humble beginnings, and this particular warung, Ibu Ani, started actually on a kaki lima and started on the roadside, and then as she got more successful, she started to then do the warung here. Her husband was out of work, so he became a chef and helped her cook, and through that she's managed to put all her children through school. It's just such a beautiful story to see how street food can become people's success, and that's where you can come from nothing and become someone just through being able to cook. It's such a wonderful industry, and the best thing is that the food is absolutely amazing, which makes people come back and back, and that's why they're so popular. They've done no promotions. It's just been through pure love, heart, and cooking.
Mulainya dari tahun 97 di pinggir jalan. Udah gitu lama-lama pindah ke dalam dari tahun 2009, karena pas waktu itu mulainya pas lahir anak kedua, punya inspirasi kita buka usaha yuk. Usaha apa ya kita buka? Coba buka warung Blayag Dek Ani, karena di Karangasem belum ada yang jualan Blayag, masih kebanyakan jualan nasi. Perbedaan Blayag dengan lontong, kalau lontong itu pakai daun, kalau Blayag ini pakai janur, memanjang dia. Pinginnya supaya ada yang meneruskan, mudah-mudahan punya anak 4 satu-satunya supaya bisa meneruskan. Gitu.